So, good morning, people, and now we're just all ready, both of us, and we will leave in a few minutes. I was just packing up all of my stuff, have my bags ready, and have to pack my battery. And I stumbled upon this. So, basically, this is the tourist card, and this allows you to travel in the city of Meiringen. So, whichever city you go in, and if you book a hotel, they will give you a tourist card using which you can travel for free in the public transport in that area. So, yesterday we were in Lucerne and we also had the tourist card. For this, you pay around 3 to 4 CHF, Swiss francs, or euros in whichever currency you are, and this allows you to basically travel in the buses for free. So they also give you like something like this, so you can check the routes, which bus number. From Meiringen, for example, you can go to there is a Gelmerbahn which is here, whereas a Gelmer CC which is like 30 minutes or so from here, and you can go to the bus stop from where you can start the hike or take the Gelmerbahn. And you can also go to the Brunisch Pass, which is also a beautiful cycling road that we took yesterday. And then from there, you can also go to the Breinzer Sea river. You can go to, I think, not Interlaken, but you can go to Brines River from here. And yeah, it has a very elaborate. There's also a swimming pool. You get like 100% off in that Schwimmbad, and then you have a lot of other advantages of this thing. So yeah, we are just heading out, gonna take our bikes out. We checked upon our bicycles, they were charged up. So yeah, we'll just start from here. It's a sunny day today. We also checked the weather, so we'll just start from Meiringen and go to Rosenlaui and see how the biking trail is and if it's good enough for our bikes. We have a trekking bike, which is an e-bike plus a trekking bike, so it should not be like so difficult, but I don't know. Let's see. And then from Rosenlaui we go further, and then we see like we end our day in Grindelwald, and yeah. So see you guys there, and bye.
सो करेंटली हम लोग हैं हमारे होटल के पार्किंग में जहाँ पे हमने हमारी साइकिल पार्क की है एंड नाउ विल बी स्टार्टिंग आवर राइड इन लाइक 5 मिनट्स. हम अपना जस्ट मैप्स एंड नेविगेशन सेटअप कर रहे हैं एंड टुडे इट वुड बी रफली 50 kilometers of ride and it would be uphill. We are starting at Meiringen, which is at the elevation of 585, and we'll be ending our ride at Grindelwald. But before going to Grindelwald, we'll also be covering a lot of different points like Rausenlawi Glacier, Grindelwald First Cliff Walk if possible, and it's going to be an elevation gain of 1600, and then the drop of the elevation would be roughly 800. So yes, looking forward to it and quite excited about it. And यहाँ पे है हमारी दो बाइक्स, ये वाली मेरी है, वो वाली प्रिया की है, एंड अब हम यहाँ से करेंगे स्टार्ट. सो अब हम करने वाले हैं यहाँ से स्टार्ट. हमने कर लिया है होटल से चेकआउट, हमने हमारी बाइक्स को भी पार्किंग से बाहर ला दिया है. एंड हाउ आर यू फीलिंग प्रिया अबाउट दिस?
Yeah, feeling great. Let's start and let's see how far we go today.
या मैंने बोला रफली हम 50 किलोमीटर जाएंगे. डू यू थिंक दैट इज़ एन ओवर एस्टिमेट और अंडर एस्टिमेट?
50 किलोमीटर्स तो मुझे नहीं पता, बट ऑल्टीट्यूड गेन बहुत ज़्यादा होगा. So back again at Migros, did some shopping, bought some fruits, juice, and the meal, a chicken burger or something. And now we're ready with our bikes. So let's get started.
We started off with a lot of enthusiasm and followed the next mountain peak that we could see. The train led us soon to an overhead bridge crossing of the Are River, which was our first halt of the day, where we soaked in the sheer beauty of Mother Nature. Wow. This is the view behind me, and यार ये क्या ही amazing view है. I mean, nothing can beat this view as of now. दो तरफ पे स्ट्रीट्स, आजू बाजू घर, बीच में एक बहुत ही अच्छा पानी, पीछे जंगल, और सामने की तरफ पे दूसरी तरफ पे है बहुत सारे पहाड़. यार क्या ही व्यू बना हुआ है यहाँ पे, क्या ही सन निकला है, बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है. Honestly, blessed to be here. Driving past the beautiful river, it was time to buckle up because the route just became steeper as we cycled forward. But the sunny weather and the view of the mountains in front of us made us oblivious to it. We cycled ahead, turning and twisting with the bends of the road. Little did we know that this hard, steep route will lead us to a gorgeous bridge from where we would have the most perfect view of the Swiss Alps.
So this area is called Zvirgi, and wow, I just saw a board that you must pay the parking fees beyond this point. I don't think you need to do that for bikes, or like for cars. Okay. So, Oberzwergi, small huts, parking spaces. हाँ हाँ. किसमें है तू? ओ
After riding a few kilometers, we took a halt to talk to some cows and the wildlife around and play around with them. What we talked about them is
काउई काउई गाय. इसके पास बहुत दूध है, इसको पकड़ो. वाओ, बेल्स देखो कितने बड़े बड़े उनके. हई भेड़ रे, बहुत ज़्यादा कंपटीशन है इधर लगता है. So we took 2 tickets for Gletscherschutz Rosendawi, and now we are going to go for a hike around the Gletscherschutz. It's 45 minutes round trip. We're gonna chill and eat something. So, what is this?
World Heritage. After our long ride, we were now out of water, but we kept on going relentlessly, non-stop, up until the point we finally found a tap which just mesmerized us deeply.
वहाँ ऊपर भी जा सकते हैं ना?
हाँ,
हाइकिंग है क्या लोगों के लिए?
होगा ही
फिर लगता है कोई ये माउंटेन चढ़ता होगा।
ये साइड से तो नहीं चढ़ना, इम्पॉसिबल है
हाँ, बहुत फ्लैट है।
फ्लैट का देख वहाँ स्टीप देख कितना, कैसे चढ़ेगा कोई, उसके बाद ऊपर कैसे जाएगा वर्टिकली।
काटा है क्या इस माउंटेन को? नहीं ना, ऐसे ही रहा होगा, इतना मुश्किल है इसको।
मुझे मालूम है ग्रिंडेलवाल्ड ना इसके पीछे आएगा ऐसा, है ना, तो रूट में भी दिखा रहा होगा ये ऐसा सी शेप का होगा आगे से। बट वो देख यार, सबसे अच्छा क्या लग रहा है पता है?
ग्लेशियर मेल्ट हो रहा है।
मेल्ट होकर जो वाटरफॉल बन रहा है और वहाँ से पानी आ रहा है। तो अभी हम हाफ वे थ्रू हैं हमारे रूट के और जर्नी के टूवर्ड्स ग्रिंडेलवाल्ड, एंड हमें यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही सुंदर व्यू मिला है, एंड द व्यू आई डोंट नो इफ़ वी कैन कैप्चर इट इन आवर कैमरा.
So we are biking to first cliff walk from Grosse Scheidegg. So we took a stop in Grosse Scheidegg from Rosenloy, which was halfway there, and this just 5 kilometers detour towards first cliff walk, and then we descend down to Grindelwald. And there's Rohan. So the last time we were in Interlaken and Grindelwald, it was in winters, and we couldn't go to First Cliff Walk because there was a lot of snow that day, and so we checked this off our list this time.
तो फर्स्ट क्लिफ वॉक की तरफ हम फुल स्पीड में बढ़ रहे थे। हमें हमारी मंजिल साफ हमारे सामने दिखाई दे रही थी। Up until this point, the weather was very nice. It was warm and sunny. हम 4 बजे के करीब फर्स्ट क्लिफ वॉक पहुंच तो गए। वहां जाके हमने काफी ज्यादा एंजॉय किया। वी ऑल्सो सन बेस्ड अ बिट, और हमने हमारी साइकिल्स को चार्ज में लगा दिया अंडर अ शेड। After that, suddenly the weather became cloudy and it started to rain in full power. It was around 5:30 in the evening when the weather became extremely cloudy and it was raining heavily. The downpour led us to a stop, and we were the only two people left there at the top of the mountain. The gondolas were all shut down. No one was there to actually help us out because everyone had left already down. Now it was quite a dilemma and a challenging situation for us because हम वहां पे अकेले 2 लोग साइकिल के साथ खड़े हैं। बारिश बहुत तेज हो रही है such that the roads were all muddy. हमारी बाइक्स would not be able to ride downhill like that. So we decided कि हम यहाँ पे थोड़ा रुकेंगे, and then if the rain does not get any better, then unfortunately we will have to cycle down. And exactly that happened. At 7 o'clock, right 1.5 hours later, we decided that we would now proceed down slowly and gradually. We had to keep our cameras inside, and that's why we could not capture anything. But let's continue this story after looking at the beauty of First Cliff Walk first.
भाई थोड़ा खतरनाक है। Baby, I feel a little bit of. Baby, it's a bit scary.
बाजपलसी कहाँ से दिखेगा यार?
दिखा
फिक्स करके रखो तो बाजपलसी दिखेगा। घंटा बाजपलसी नहीं दिख रहा।
मुझे भी देखना।
कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है ऐसे। लगता है लेक सूख गया वहाँ पे। ये भी ले रही है तू? तेरा भी क्लियर वीडियो?
नहीं चलते रहे।
Look at
सॉरी। हाँ चल रहे। बाप रे कितने सारे कैटल हैं।
फोन पकड़ के रखा और अंदर रखा। यही काले बादल है हमारे स्टोरी के असली विलन। इन्हीं के वजह से हमें बारिश में भीगता हुआ कीचड़ में लथपथ 2.5 hours डाउनहिल साइकिलिंग करके, वो भी डेंजरस रस्तों पे, हॉस्टल पहुंचना पड़ा रात के 10 बजे। हॉस्टल से चेंज करके हम फटाफट गए डिनर करने एट अराउंड 10:30। द पीपल वर वेरी नाइस एंड दे लेट अस स्टे इवन लेट इन नाइट। द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग वाज समथिंग लाइक दिस। हाय ऑल, गुड मॉर्निंग।
गुड मॉर्निंग।
सो दिस इज़ आवर लास्ट डे एंड हम हैं ग्रिंडलवाल्ड में आफ्टर द लिटिल स्टंट दैट वी पुल्ड ऑफ यस्टरडे। दिस इज़ द व्यू दैट वी वोक अप टू एंड आई एम क्वाइट ग्रेटफुल दैट हमने वो चीज़ सर्वाइव की। And how do you feel about that, Priya?
आई थिंक बहुत अच्छा हुआ ये कि हमने बहुत ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाया और जब बारिश थोड़ी सी कम हुई तो वी लाइक पैक्ड एवरीथिंग एंड देन वी like immediately left the scene and then we did not wait around
Exactly.
for the rains to completely stop
Yeah.
because predictions में तो 9 बजे तक था रात के और फिर अंधेरा होने के बाद नीचे आने का कोई पॉइंट नहीं था.
Exactly. And predictions में भी it was quite unclear मेरे हिसाब से कि बारिश रुकेगी भी कि नहीं रुकेगी. एंड हम अभी हमारे बालकनी पे हैं, alive and fighting fit. So it's something that I would recommend कि लोग ना करें, क्योंकि अगर कोई चीज़ की warnings हैं so you should definitely listen to what the locals are saying and what the authorities. The next day, we decided to head down towards Interlaken by cycling. This was the last day and we decided to enjoy it by the banks of the river and taking in the sun.